I'm Troy Helser. I am the owner of RT Metal Finishing. Been polishing for about 52 years, ever since I was 9 years old. Specifically, orthopedic, custom manufacturing aspect of the polishing industry.
My name is Morgan Goodman. I am a metal polisher, so I work back in the finish department, which deals a lot with welds, putting finishings on different parts. Certain customers want the part to look a certain way and have a certain finish on them, so I work a lot with belts and wheels.
We work hand in hand with engineers and people to give them a specific polishing requirement that they need. I have a standard machine that's stationary, and I have to articulate the product the way that I want it to look to control what radiuses and dimensions and contours that I'm going to put on, and specifically a finish.
So a lot of care and attention goes into the making of a part in an implant that's going to be used to be put in somebody's body and to help for surgery, and we want the best part to be used for that. Honestly, it's a little weird to sit there and think that someone out there in the world has maybe a hip or a knee or something I worked on in their body and all that, but it's also kind of cool at the same time to sit there and think, well, I did that. I helped make that person walk better or improve their quality of life.
I have an artificial shoulder. I have a bone plate in my thumb, both my ankles, and for what I do in the manufacturing aspect of everything, my joints help make it a joint effort. So we're all touched by it, and being a part to make someone be able to feel better, it's priceless. The complexity of getting this product finished had to come with an idea. The hundreds of engineers and quality engineers and CAD/CAM and blueprint makers and machinists and polishers and sandblasters and inspectors. There's hundreds of people, thousands if not, that are involved with the manufacture of just one product. And it takes all those people together to make that product the best it can be.
If we have, say, a new product come through or a new part that none of us have seen, it's very much a joint effort to put our minds together and be like, okay, like what needs to be done? How can we make it this the way we need to be? If we have issues where it's a certain part that might need to be fixed or stuff like that, we work together in that way too.
Anybody can do this. If everybody wants to be taught and they're teachable, they can do this. Everything that we have in our lives is finished by something, whether it be a machine or a human being. But in the orthopedic aspect and the realm of that world, it's vital that we have these type of people.